this off twice now, and I don't know if the rubber's wearing out, but I put a little bit of RTV down in the bottom left-hand corner, so those back 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. A little bit of gray RTV along this bottom because it was leaking from there. Just FYI. Hopefully I took the wheel well off, which by the way, if you ever have trouble getting to these bolts back here, you can get them with a swivel and a 1/4 and a 1/4-inch extension. But if you take this wheel well off, it's super easy. You can get anything you want over there. Just a little helpful tip. So the project on this truck is got a ZF 5-speed, and my clutch is dragging, which what means is all your gears in there have synchro. So if your clutch drags, it shouldn't be an issue going to any of the forward gears. When you go into the reverse gear, because there's no synchro, it'll grind, and that really irritates me. And you can go, what I've been doing is go to 5th, go down, then don't stop for lunch in between, you go straight down to reverse. That's great, it works most of the time, but I just can't stand when something isn't right, and this will be my new work truck anyway. So that's the transmission up there. First step, I'm not going to record everything because, you know, if you can't do some of this stuff by yourself, you really shouldn't be doing this job at all. But anyway, first step, really easy. Go ahead and take your drive shaft off. There's 4 bolts in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are Torx, a T45, and I sprayed. Now spray all your bolts with UV Blaster before you do this. Really help yourself out. I just popped these with this weak. This gun's not very strong, but it popped those like they were nothing. So I got all those out. So once I get this drive shaft out of here, I'll come back and record some more and let you know if I run into any problems. But basically, drive shaft off, and then drop these 2 carry bolts in here. Make sure you get them, and then that cross member up there. Get rid of that. And then I got a transmission jack I'm going to use. And get yourself, if you're working in the backyard like I am, get yourself some plywood. You know, shit just does not roll right if it's not smooth. This is a tough enough job as it is. Doing it on the ground in the backyard is a real challenge, to say the least. But that's all I got. So, anyway, I'll be back.